How to repost an Instagram story. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram app. You then want to scroll down and select the video that you wish to repost. You then want to select the paper airplane icon next to the messenger icon. From here, you then want to select add to story at the bottom. And it will take you to an editing page before you post the story. So here you can increase the size of the post, decrease it, rotate it, and you can even add captions to it. And once you're happy with the edited, then all you have to do is select the arrow button at the bottom right hand corner. When you're happy with that, select share, share stories. And when you're happy with it, done. And once it's finished uploading, your story will be posted. And that's how you reshare an Instagram post on your story.